Ni na udho chatu tambanie imwe na tuyatiania thini wa Facebook ila ni Mutongo TV. Kwa muthenya wa katatu na wa muthia a Kenya ni manewa mwanya wa kusisia mwi wa Mututia Mwai Kibaki mawikaloni ma mbunge mwi wa Kibaki withi wa uitungwa nyumbani ya kusuvia kuyali wala ukaumwa wa katatu kuondu kana ukaumwa wa katano kuondu wa mboya ila ikatoe wa kiwanzani tanyayo na indi aithi kuthumugwa musi kwake kwi wa thanthatu ningaliko cia othaya. Joseph Kibeka enaingewa
Umundi niwo umuthenya wa muthia wa Kenya vona atongo ikivuthukanio kusisia vona kurenga ndai ya cia muthia mwi wa Mututia musumbi uthi umwe wa Mwai Kibaki kuyana mivango ile nekitwe ni serikali mbeo mathiko make. Namba nene ya Kenya ni yumile kwi umundi kwilianio la vukwe iyo vula ingi momambie kuvanga laini kuicha nikenda maiga vingi wenza wa ivuso yu na mbunge nene kwisira kula kuya mbunge imatumia ivuso yu ya sikalo cia mawiyo Kumulilikana vumona kumeta kukicha musumbi wakatatu wa nthi ya Kenya.
The late Honorable Mwai Kibaki goes down in history as the greatest president since independence that this country has ever had. He is an economist par excellence, a democrat par excellence, and he remains in the annals of our history as the greatest president that this country ever had. Honorable Speaker, the late president moved our economy from the doldrums to a renewed economy that was very robust. And Honorable Speaker, he did that, increasing our revenues from an average of 180 billion shillings to close to 1 trillion shillings without having to arrest a single business person in this country, without having to close down a single business in this country. Unlike today, Honorable Speaker, when our revenues are dwindling and we are closing people's businesses, we are shutting down businesses of the likes of Tabitha Karanja, Humphrey Karaoke, and other innocent Kenyans down in Down Road, Nyamakima, Honorable Speaker.
Amwe mambunge matongoni mbunge wa Yatacha Uskironzo ni mamueta Mututia Mwai Kibaki tawe yumise muno Kukilya Ukwati wa nthi vumona kisomo Kumulilikana ivindani mweta wa metie ta atongoi na kumea mesili muno Kukilya Ukwati wota nthi mate kusile iluvia sia mukovu kuma nthi sia nzakila ivinda.
Mr. Speaker, myself even joining politics, Mr. Speaker, among the few people supported me financially was none other than the late President Mwai Kibaki. Mr. Speaker, Kibaki will be remembered as an economist, a man who transformed the Kenyan economy to what it is today, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, changing Kenyan economy to a middle-class economy is not something, Mr. Speaker, which can go unnoticed, and this was done during Kibaki's time. Mr. Speaker, it is during Kibaki's time when he had the Vision 2030, which successive government, Mr. Speaker, have still adopted.
Oingicha usino mweta Kibaki ta musumbi wala waina woni munene kwa serikali sia mutu huko ile kwa oyusi ende na kumutethia mwene nthi.
Many might not know that Mzee Kibaki believed in devolution, Mr. Speaker. It was during his time, Mr. Speaker, that CDF, which was a private member's motion by Engineer Karue, he actually requested Engineer Karue to surrender the bill to be a government bill, Mr. Speaker, and then the government brought the bill. Today, we now have National Government Constituency Development Fund, Mr. Speaker, courtesy of the late President, Mr. Speaker.
Itiyo iseso ya kusisia mwi wa musumbi wakatatu vanthi ya Kenya yukira kikwati ni mboya si mwanya ile ikatoiwa kwi wakatano kiwanzani cha Nyayo Stadium musini wa Ilovi vala mwi wake ukathimwa kwa thanthatu kuya musini kwake othaya kauntini ya Nyeri. Kumava nyumbani ya kutangazia Mutongo TV tumwendea kuthiumwa na muwo wa tene na tene. Joseph Kibeka, vilingi wa mauvo.